Literally having to take it's easier to just remove the underlayer.
Alright guys, this is another episode. We let the gel coat cure for about a week. We had some events we had to go to. We came back and started applying bondo over it in order to try to get a surface that we could, sand down, flatten it out, and get the final dimensions of everything, make it look nice and sharp before we apply primer and then do the mold process on it. We went ahead and filled up the entire truck. As you can see here, we did the back sides, we did the front. We were really trying to get like a show quality finish, but as you see here, we started to tear it apart because it just failed for some reason. It didn't bond good to the drywall, or the bondo just didn't want to dry up for whatever reason. I believe there was a little bit of moisture in the line when I was applying the gel coat. Maybe that was the start of everything. We gave it about a week for the bondo to cure, and it just wouldn't cure, and it was easier to just rip the entire thing off versus just trying to just get rid of the bondo. It was making way too much damage the other way around, so we decided to just rip everything apart, start over again, and hopefully it would be better the next time.
Total fail here, guys. Been a week after we applied all this bondo. Yeah, whatever the issue was. The only way we can do it is heating it up and then scraping it all off.
Is it satisfying, guys? Is it satisfying?
It's gonna be one of those satisfying videos, huh?
It's like 3 in the morning. Wendy. Alright guys, if you guys can see, this shit was a total fucking fail. Arm was fucking sore, homie. We're gonna end up resanding this shit again. So just make sure you guys are staying tuned, because we're gonna drop another video where we're applying body filler and some primer, but we're gonna be sanding it, making sure it gets back into the right shape that we promised you guys to have. Peace, motherfuckers. How was that?